Yo, what's up, guys, and welcome back to another banger video. As you all know, I am Driller FX. If you don't know, click the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Without wasting much time, I just want to show you guys this fine goal strategy. It's not using any indicators, it's just price action, demand, supply, resistance, and support. So I just want to show you guys, just make sure you sit your ass down and watch this video to the end because you don't want to miss any of it. So right now, as you can see, this is my first entry on gold because I've been trading all types of forex pair indices, whatever I was trading them. Like I wasn't seeing the consistency I actually needed. I was winning, yeah, but I needed to stick to one currency, to one pair, sorry, to one pair so that I can know what type of trade I would take to focus and stay consistent with that trade alone. So I decided, okay, let me check gold out because gold is a very volatile pair. Is very good, very good. Gold, US 39 with crypto. So I decided, okay, let me check out gold. So right here, I got my box, right? And I saw the support, right? This was a resistance, price broke out of it and came back for a retest. So I saw price was going back up, price was going up and decided to break in. And now I saw this and I was waiting for a retracement for either price to go up and come back because I knew if price is going to break this box right here and come back for a retest, I'm going to take a buy. Are you getting me? But if price do not break the box and come back something like this, let me show you guys something. And price did something like this, right? Boom. And this, okay. If price did something like this, right? I could have taken say at least or too close of a candlestick because I don't want to get a figure and get in for a sell right here thinking our price is gonna sell. You don't trade like that. So right here I saw price broke out of this box and come back for a retest, right? Price came back for a retest and that was the opportunity I got for me to get in for a very sniper entry or buy. As you guys can see, I got in for a very sniper entry buy right at this point. As you can see right here. And let's go for the second entry I took on gold. Okay, right now I saw price made a retracement right here. One, and price push down. I didn't see the trade I could have taken, but there's no confirmation over there for me to take this trade exactly because it's not about trading. You need extra confirmation so you don't end up losing money. And I also missed this bar right here. I also missed this bar right here as well. Okay, I missed this bar. This is a double bottom for you guys who don't know double bottom, and also this is a very nice support. You can see this is where I took a buy. I could have gotten for a buy right here, but I missed it because I was off the chart. So, okay. So what I saw next was price coming back to this zone where price actually made a retracement right here. So I saw price made a retracement and close at least three candlestick, and I got in for a sell. I got it for a sell right here, but I put my SL here. Why I put my SL here is because I got in for a sniper entry using a very small lot size, a very small lot size, but my main bigger position was around the zone, was around here. So I guess so. So my first entry for a sniper entry, because you don't want to get in for a sniper entry, sorry, You don't want to get in for a sniper entry without confirmation. So I don't know if price is going to break the zone and go back up for a buy. So I needed to use a very good risk. So I used a very low lot size. And once I saw confirmation, I added more positions. So boom. So why my TP was right here, because you see price actually rejected from the zone right here. The zones, you can see price made a retracement from the zone up and here as well, and here as well. So I was thinking price would make a retracement. If not, I could have hold, but that was okay. At least I made at least a couple of $8,000 on the trade, and boom. So what I saw was price made a double top at the zone right here, one and two. So I saw this and I said to myself, okay, um, let me not take a sell. Let me just wait for price to close. Are you getting me? For price to close? And I saw the for price to close at least one to two candlestick. And this is the reason why I say you need to wait for price to close one to two candlestick, at least three. That's the minimum, and that's the max. Sorry. I saw price close at this one long bearish candlestick, so I was waiting for price to close on the second bearish, but it didn't close for a buy. So I was waiting, that I saw price was going up for a buy. Okay, and I said, okay, if price break this boss and come back for a retracement, I will get in for a buy instantly. So I got my buy limit right here, and as you can see, price pushed up to the zone. So why I got my TP here, because you can see price actually made a retracement. You can see one and two. So I was thinking price was going to hit my TP and fall for a sell, and price actually hit my TP and went for a sell. Are you getting me? So if I was a swing trader, I could have hold much longer, but I'm a scalper. So let me show you guys how I got my is it the fifth? I'm sure about that. I'm sure. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, this is my fourth entry. Okay, this is my fourth entry. So after this or this range and range and range, so I saw this very nice uh bearish, this bearish trend right here, and I saw price respected the trend line three times, and that was the confirmation I need to call it a trend, because price actually made a retracement one to three times. So I waited and I saw price broke out of it, and see price, this little red candle, it came back for a retracement, and boom, price fly to the moon. So I got in for a buy, and boom, TP got smashed. So right now it's actually weekend, it's Saturday, and Friday I called this buy, and I'm praying price actually go to my direction. Why? Why am I praying price should go to my direction as this? So as you guys can see, price actually made so many retracements, making it a very strong resistance. One, two, and three. So price broke out of it, and now this is a retracement. Are you getting me? Like I got in for this at this zone right here. Like I got in at the zone. Let me show you guys very clearly. You can see that this was a resistance. This was a resistance. And price broke out of it and came back for retracement and did fly to the moon. So this is same example I'm giving you guys. This is the overall. So as you can see, this is the resistance. There are so many retracement down. One, two, three, four, and now price is coming back for a buy. You can see I don't actually see drawdowns, because I stay patient and wait for price to come to my level of resistance, my zones or whatever thing I was waiting for price to do. I wait for price to get in, and boom. And not only price is coming, this is also a double bottom for you guys who don't know a double bottom. So you can see right here, right? look at it right here. One and two, and price went up. So let me show you guys something real quick. Okay, all right. So let me show you guys a pun. So as you can see right here, price made the retracement down one, and now for the second time, and boom, I got in for a snapper entry buy. Boom. So that's it, guys. And if you did like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe for more video like this, and peace out.